You say you want to be strong, but the truth is, you break too easily. One bad day, and your discipline disappears. One moment of discomfort, and you quit. That's the problem. You don't lack motivation, you lack mental toughness. Look at your days. You wake up with plans and end with excuses. You tell yourself just 5 minutes and lose hours. You avoid hard things, delay important work, and choose comfort every time. And slowly, that becomes your identity. Someone who starts but never finishes. But here's the truth you've been avoiding. No one is coming to fix this. No perfect time is coming. No sudden motivation will save you. If your life stays the same, it's not luck. It's your choices. Mental strength is not something you're born with. It's built day by day, choice by choice. And the next 21 days can change everything if you stop negotiating with yourself. For the next 21 days, you follow one rule. Do what you said you would do, no matter how you feel. You don't wait to feel ready. You don't wait to feel motivated. You act anyway. You wake up when the alarm rings, not later. You finish the work even when your mind begs you to stop. You sit in discomfort instead of escaping it. Because every time you choose discipline over comfort, you are training your mind to obey you. Start small, but stay strict. Wake up at the same time every day. Move your body, even when you don't want to. Do the hardest task first before distractions take over. Cut the noise. Less scrolling, less excuses, less talking, more action. And here's what most people won't tell you. It will feel uncomfortable. You will feel resistance. Your mind will fight back. It will try to pull you back into old habits. That's the test. Because mental toughness is built in those exact moments when you want to quit, but you don't. When you feel tired, but you keep going. When it's hard, and you still show up. That's how you change. Not in one big moment, but in hundreds of small decisions no one sees. And somewhere in those 21 days, something shifts. You stop arguing with yourself. You stop looking for shortcuts. You become someone who does what needs to be done, no matter what. That's when you become dangerous, because now your mind is no longer controlling you. You are in control. And once you reach that point, there is no going back to your old self. So decide right now, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Are you going to stay the same person or become someone unbreakable? The next 21 days will answer that.